Alright guys, my Meepoboard is having the same exact issue as last year, where the motherboard basically crapped out. Kiran was able to send me a replacement. I put it in, it worked for a good couple months, and now it seems like it's having the same problem again. This time he gave me a new remote and a new motherboard. So let's see. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. Okay, it's on, everything's connected. Remote's here, let's go ahead and turn the remote on. Okay, remote's on. As you can see, the lights are moving depending if I brake or accelerate, but as you can see, the wheels are not spinning. So I suspect either maybe the unhub motors are broken, or maybe the remote's broken, or maybe the motherboard, but I'm not sure. Again, it's kind of frustrating. Sports kind of been down already for almost a month now, and it's kind of like my primary transportation on campus. So I've been just manually skateboarding my old board, my own longboard. So yeah, just thought I'd make a video just to show you guys, show proof that it is indeed kind of broken again. Cool.